Hi beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make orange peel powder at home. So let's get started. Of course, to make orange peel powder, you'll be needing orange peels. After peeling your oranges, rinse the peels and then you'll use it to make the orange peel powder. You'll also be needing a flat plate or a flat tray, or you can also use your parchment paper. I'll be using this flat plate. Moving on, the next step is to spread the orange peel on your tray or plate. Be sure to spread them evenly and not heap it on one position. So once everything is well spread, I'm going to take it out now and sun dry it. I'm going to sun dry it until everything is completely dried, and I'll bring it back. Now here is what the orange peel looks like after sun drying. It is completely dried. Now I'm going to take this and blend it using my blender, and then I will bring it back. Now here's what the orange peel looks like after blending. It's now in a powdered form, but it's not yet a smooth powder. So right now I'm going to sieve it so that we can have a fine powder. I have my sieve here, and this is what I'll be using to sieve the orange peel powder so that we can have a fine and smooth powder that will be easier to use. I'm going to put the blended orange peel in the sieve and then sieve it till I have a smooth and fine powder. As you can see, the smooth and fine orange peel powder is getting into the other bowl. I'm going to keep repeating this process until I exhaust the entire blended orange peel powder and I have an entirely smooth powder. After sieving, this shaft is still useful. You can use it to make a scrub or a mask for your face. And now we have our final orange peel powder, which is a really great ingredient for the skin. Orange peel powder has antibacterial property. Orange peel powder is rich in vitamin C. It can help in giving you a brighter, glowy skin. If you absolutely enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!